Yo, well, it's Maggie again, and shh, be quiet, but I'm making a video because I'm being stalked. It's really scary, and I'm totally freaked out. It just sits there and stares at me all the time, and it moves a lot, but I can't let it know I'm scared. Look at it, just staring at me. See it? Right there. And it just looks at me, and it looks at me. It just stares at me all day. I don't know what to do. It's just there, and it doesn't put its little eyes. It scares me. It scares me. It scares me. Look at this. It moved. Now it's right there by the camera. Look at it staring at you. Doesn't that creep you out? It won't leave me alone.